Good morning, custodians. Today we are going to start with uses of exponents and the scientific form. In the beginning of the chapter only, I have already mentioned and explained why we use exponents. So that the large numbers can be conveniently expressed in easy form, which we can able to write and read. Okay. So, for example, like the distance between the sun and the earth, the speed of light in vacuum, the mass of earth. If you can see here, the numbers are so huge, so it makes you very uncomfortable in reading, and you have to go through it, and then you have to understand. Even, for example, even this number is very large. So in order to avoid such kind of calculations, we use exponents to make it convenient to read as well as write. Okay, and to make it convenient, we use powers of 10. How to do that? Let's see. For example, I have 76 here. Okay, so here I'll put the decimal, and after decimal I have one place, that means 10. You remember, in decimals we used to multiply by 10, 100,000. Similarly, we are using here the powers of 10, so it is multiplied by 10 to make it 76. So we write 7.6 into 10 to the power 1. Now in this we put the decimal here, and we have 2 digit after this, that means 100. We have the 100 place, so 100 means 10 to the power 2 to 7.63 into 10 to the power 2. In this 7.63 into 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 4 and 5 and so on. Now we can express all these numbers in such a special form. Okay, and any number can be expressed as a decimal number between 1 to 10, including 1 but excluding 10. We multiply by the power of 10 then. Okay, so we are excluding these zeros and we are adding as the power of tens. Okay, so like here I have 1000, that means 10 to the power 3. That means if I am multiplying by 1000, we get 1, 2, 3. The answer is coming 7630. So instead of writing that, we write 7.63 and we write here 10 to the power 3. Okay, so this form is known as standard form. So scientific notation, it is actually the way of writing numbers which accommodate the values, large values, conveniently written in standard form. Okay, to make the values easy, simple and in a convenient manner, we use this notation. Okay, it is basically favored by scientists, astronomers or mathematicians and engineers who work with bigger numbers, huge numbers. Okay, in scientific notation, all the numbers are written as k into 10 to the power n, where k is the decimal number. Okay, and this is the powers of 10, such that 1 is less than or equal to k and decimal number is less than 10 and is a whole number. Okay, so the decimal number k is called the significand, and the scientific notation is also known as standard form. Alright, so let's understand with the help of an example. For example, I have 500 here. So I put the decimal here after 5, and we have 2 zeros, so 5 into 10 to the power 2. In this we put after 4, so 4.7 and 1, 2, 3 and including the 7 decimal. After decimal you count the number of digits. 4 digits are there, that means 10 to the power 4. We write here 9, after 9 we put the decimal, and then you count 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 10 to the power 9, 9.83. You will write the whole number decimal form and its power 10 to the power 9. So this is the way of converting the bigger numbers into scientific notation, okay, or standard form. So I have already explained this, which is written here. You can go through it. Okay, we will move the decimal points to the left and get just one digit to the left of the decimal point. That means I put the decimal point here, the one digit is on the left of the decimal point, that is 4. Okay, and then I count all the numbers after the decimal point and we put in the powers of 10. So converting scientific notation or standard form into decimal notation. Okay, so let's deal with an example. For example, I have 763.4 here. So that means you have the point here. Okay, so you have to bring the point here. Your starting point is this and your ending point is this. You have to remember in such kind of example. So you will write 7.634 into 10 to the power 2. Why 2? 1, 2. So 2 places I have, that means powers of 10 will be 2. Okay, but in these cases we will put here 8.35 into 10 to the power 4. That means after the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 places. Okay, then the next one 5.73 into 10 to the power 5, and then write 9.8127 into 10 to the power 9. So these are the ways by which you can find out the standard form or the scientific notations of these numbers. Okay, so next example, you have to write in decimal notation. Now scientific notation has been given to you and you have to write in the form of decimal. So how to do it? Now you have 5.37 and into 10 to the power 4. So that means 537 you will write first. Okay, after that you will count 10 to the power 4, means after decimal you count 4 places including these two numbers 1, 2, 3, 7, and then 2 places are empty, so you put 0 over there. So you have 53700, or you simply multiply by 10,000. After decimal you move 4 places, you will get the answer. For example, into 10 to the power 4 means 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you put 2 zeros and the answer is 53700. Then after this you will see here 7.501 into 10 to the power 7. That means 7501 you will write, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 501 and 40. 3 plus 4, 7. In this 10 to the power 11 means after 2 you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and you will add 7 zeros more to make it 11, and 2, 3, 0, 4, 9. Then you can see here 7 zeros are there. So this is how we convert into decimal form, decimal notation into usual numbers. So express the numbers appearing in the following statements in scientific form. This I have already explained. For example, you have 6366000. That means you will be writing after 6 you will put the decimal. So you will write 6.366 into 10 to the power 6. You can see here decimal के बाद 3 नंबर और फिर 3 0, 3 और 3 6 हो गए. ओके, सिमिलरली 1.496 और इसके बाद आप काउंट करोगे 0 इंक्लूडिंग द डेसिमल के बाद नंबर जो है, तो 1 पॉइंट के बाद है 3 3 6 6 3 9 2 11, तो 11 हो गए 10 टू द पावर 11. यहाँ पे 2.998 336 to 8 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and here 5.976 3 6 9 12 15 18 21 24. यहाँ पे डेसिमल तो 24 10 to the power 24, and this is how you express the numbers appearing in the following statements in the scientific notation or the standard form. So hope you have understood. Go through the video and the examples which I have explained in this video. God bless.